Hello, hello. Okay, so good evening, afternoon, wherever you at. I'm gonna put this up in the morning, so it'll be in the morning time when you see this. Hello, how you doing? All right, so I done took my twist out and everything. Let me wet my hair because that'll help the product distribute. So what I'm gonna be demoing is this Garnier Fructis hair filler bonding inner fiber repair treatment. It's a rinse out, 15% peptide citric acid bond repair complex. Big bottle, you get 10.1 ounces. I'm not mad at it for $14.99. Good price point. And you get this big ass container. So it says our next generation of hair science system for inner fiber repair, outer transformation. Our bonding inner fiber repair treatment formulated with 15% peptides plus citric acid bond repair complex works with our hair filler system to repair hair inside and out. The inner repairs and strengthens broken bonds deep in the cortex, hair fibers inner layer. And then it's smooth. On the outer, it's strong, smooth, soft, healthy looking hair. It's formulated with without sulfates, without silicones, without parabens and phthalates. This is step 1 out of 4. I don't have the shampoo. I don't have the conditioner or the serum. Now, the serum I would be interested in getting. But for the sake of me reviewing these bond building treatments, I'm only going to get the bond part. And it looks like that. So let me wet my hair. These usually are kind of long. And it tells you on the directions to apply this to wet hair, distribute evenly, and it says leave off for like 5 minutes and rinse. Well, it's probably going to take me like 5 minutes to work this through my hair. So it might be more like 10 minutes maybe, because I got a lot of hair, but I appreciate a lot of product. still spraying. I still got a lot. It take a minute for me to wet my hair because, yes, I'm low porosity if you're wondering. And dang, I almost forgot this camera was going. So y'all know this is going to be a very long. I wish I had some music or something. I might have to. Okay, so here we go. I think I finally got it wet enough. So for the sake of this, I probably would like insert maybe some music or something. Because this was a little long. Okay, so I think it's from like 2 minutes all the way up to like 6 minutes and some change. Possibly 7 minutes. Here's what y'all want to see. How does this bad boy work? Well, oh. What in the what? Okay, I don't know what these people in this apartment complex are doing, but just know next year we moving, cause we ain't gonna ever get the okie doke no more. This is ridiculous. Ooh, this feel good. This feel good as hell. It smells good. So anytime I see them, this is kind of similar to. Smell is different. This is more fruity. The red can has more of a salon smell. This has more like a fruit smell, like that signature Garnier fruit smell that is always known for. But I tell you, these curls are, it's making my curls pop. Can y'all see that? Look at these curls. Curls is just a popping. Come on, growth. I'm gonna claim that next year I'm gonna experience a growth spur with this. Let me know in the comments how y'all like this. It says I'm supposed to leave it on for like 5 minutes and then rinse this out. So I'm definitely gonna have to kind of like rinse out and talk to y'all a little bit. I mean, I got time and all, but you know. In the future, I'm interested to see how many more bond builders they have on the market, because if you have like a patent or a technology and you actually repair the hair, then yes, you are a bond builder if you're actually able to repair hair. They said the hardest ones to repair is the disulfide bonds, which that goes a little deeper. That is usually from like heat damage or a lot of chemical processing. And Olaplex and the other one, K18, have been known to. I haven't tried K18, but I enjoyed the way that Olaplex made my hair feel. So the only thing I have with Olaplex, the con is the size, for one. And there's so many different Olaplex products. I've never tried it with number zero. Of course, they say it's supposed to make it work better, but look, I just got regular number three, tried it, used it, and I loved it. I was not expecting to love that one because of how expensive it was, but I would put that one, that is a very much a luxe product, okay? So when my job started to pay me more, I was able to afford more Lux. But there are going to be some times where the budget is going to be tight because I got bills, like I have a car note now. And of course, the situation when I had to pay for two apartments at once, where I'm at now, and I'm still paying back these racist people because I don't want it to go on my credit. And I tried to get help through the city of Durham, tried to get her reported. Hell, I tried to get her fired, and I'm just like, you know what? I don't ever like. As long as she stays at those beautiful apartments as a property manager, it's just gonna keep going down. People pay too much money to have to deal with her. So, for the sake of other people not having to suffer because they don't need to be dealing with her, oh yes, I reported her as many times as I could report her. And it has just taken a toll. So I have to sometimes find budget friendly, affordable options. Now, don't get it twisted. I do love some Lux product, but there's just some stuff that's just too damn high that ain't no way in hell I could see me justifying the cost of it. Some stuff is worth the price, and then some stuff is overhyped. I've tried Olaplex. I understand why the girls love it. My hair came out lovely. It felt lovely. That was, that is, I see why Olaplex is that girl. That's the original, the OG. It works. Okay. It made my hair feel nice. Now, granted, since I have more hair than what I used to have, like when I first went natural, I would need like two bottles for two uses because I was trying. But 3 ounces, I'm gonna need more like. If you're gonna be 3 ounces, then you need to be something like this or something like Redken, because Redken's formula is thick. That acidic bonding treatment, I got 3 uses out of that. So I'm happy with that. I understand the the rhyme reason for that. I was able to get more than one use. So it makes sense. And the Curl Smith, I was able to get more than one use. I usually get 2 to 3 uses out of Curl Smith. Now, as my hair gets longer, I probably might just get like 2 uses, but my curls and coils and kinks are tight. I have very tight kinky texture. Okay, so I am going to do what I believe I am instructed to do. We're going to get into these ingredients. The next time I come back, once I done put my hair up, I kind of love wash day, y'all, because I get to clean my hair, everything. I'm definitely noticing I'm not getting as much shed hair, so we gonna clap it up for These last few weeks have been, they've been nice. Hair wise. Can't say everything else wise, but at least I was able to get that. Okay. So I done work this in. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, rinse it off, and then I'm gonna start my wash day process. So, sorry, y'all. I was trying to see. There's always gonna be people that's gonna ask for a scent, or what do I believe this smells like? Well, let me put my hair up first. Then I can tell you honestly what I think. Oh wow. Okay. Um, let me grab something to like wash my hand, y'all. Gotta like wash this off my hand. Let me wipe the bottle down too. Okay. Ooh. Here I go. Alright. So, first ingredient is water. Second ingredient, cetearyl alcohol, glycerin, benzimonium, chloride, stearyl alcohol, that's like a fatty alcohol, of course, citric acid, of course. It says that cetyl esters, sodium citrate. This does have isopropyl alcohol in this. This does have a perfume, fragrance, what? Phenolphthalein, polyquat 10, holding polysorbate 20, polysorbal gar, linol, butylene glycol, I think some argan oil or something is in here. And then it's got some peptides. Look, I ain't gonna even hold you. Some of that I know it's like peptides and stuff and good the scientific, okay? What does this smell like to me? Because I mentioned that it has a nice fruity scent. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Oh, why am I have this a minute? I only use like that much. This is gonna be one of those. This is probably gonna take me like 4 months to probably finish because they give you a lot of product. It took me 3 months to finish the other one because it was thick. But not only is this thick, this is a lot of product. So I'm going to most likely finish this in January sometime. Yes, it's going to be in an empty for 2024 because I would have used the majority of that time. This is a thick product. If I'm right here, like, and this was filled to the top. It's like right there. So I didn't even put much of a dent in this bottle at all. Like, look where my hand is. That's at least 3 more solid uses out of this product. If I had to guess what it smells like, damn, sorry about that, y'all. Definitely, it's definitely giving like a fruity, classic argan oil, but with like a fruit twist. Maybe like, hold on. I'm trying to think of the scent. It's gonna come to me. It's not citric. Not at all. Maybe like a flower. It's either like a gardenia, or if not gardenia, like a jasmine or like a lily, but with like a fruit twist. Okay, maybe a lily, perhaps. It's like an argan oil plus like a white lily with maybe possibly like a white peach, white lily, argan oily smell is like the scent. I could be wrong, but that is what my nose is dissecting and picking up scent wise. So I'm going to let this sit for, well, it says 5 minutes. I know I've been talking to y'all, but I'm going to let this sit under here for 5 minutes. I feel like it's been longer. But it says 5 minutes, but y'all know I don't always do that. Sometimes it sit a little longer, and then afterwards you're supposed to follow up with shampoo, conditioner, and the rest. Well, look, I don't have all the other ones, okay? I'm gonna finish up a shampoo. I'm supposed to finish up a rinse out. I'm supposed to finish up this week, this wash day, and keep kicking it, and then deep condition and leaving condition and go on about my business. All right, but I tell you one thing, I will definitely. I'm gonna turn this camera off, and I'm gonna let y'all know how this made my hair feel off of first impression. And then y'all always know after continued use, I got y'all. So I'm gonna keep reviewing these bonding treatments. I want to try all of them. Well, all of them that I can afford, because if you thought Olaplex was expensive, no, it's not. K18 is more expensive than Olaplex. K18 make Olaplex look like a picnic in the park with the price. So, and that's even tinier. So, I'm not mad at y'all. But I do want to try K18 too, so I can see what is the creme de la creme of these bonding treatments. So, do some work better than others? Which ones do my hair enjoy, and which ones was my hair just like, oh hell no, don't ever put that mess in my hair again? And so far, there have been two from that have stood out that my hair was just like, this didn't do nothing, or I was just like, I don't even like the feel of this. So I'll get back to y'all once I have a direct answer about this. And once I rinse this out and tell y'all how I think. All right, bye. Well, not bye, later. All right, picking right back up where I left off. Okay, so I rinsed out the this, and let me tell you, it rinsed out clean. It had like a you could tell on, let's see, could you really tell? I would definitely say, since this has more of a tacky like felt good going on the hair. When I rinsed it rinsed out very clean. I do feel like it left like a, not a film, but like a coating, like a smoothing in a sense kind of feel. So you can definitely tell it had it feeling strong and smooth. Soft? No. Not hard, but you put some type of strengthening agent in your hair with this. but it had my curls popping. So I will say curl poppage after using this. You're definitely gonna see that. I was like, ooh, because I saw while I was putting it on and then detangling my curls was just curling and popping with this. And even when I rinsed it out with no product before I shampooed, I had my curls was just popping. So curl poppage, strength, and then it was very smooth. Like my shafts was very smooth. So I say that's a good thing. I'm gonna have to keep using this over time to confirm if I love it. But so far, so good. This I actually like this. I'm not gonna like every product I tried, but this one is one that I actually like. There are some where I was like, I like this. So as I've mentioned before, I am I'm right here on the thing. So I know that's almost a full 4 uses. If not 4 uses, 3.5. But this is good, guys. If you're able to get your hands on it, try it out. I do know they have a shampoo, a conditioner, and a serum. I don't think I'm going to try the shampoo and conditioner, but I am curious to see what the serum feels like. I love a good oil. So that's what I have to say about that. It rinsed out smooth. You're going to see curl poppage. Your shaft of your hair, the hair strands are going to feel smooth. And you're definitely going to feel that strength. Not so much soft, but the smoothing effect. Like if you have gaps in the hair shaft, it's gonna fill that in and smooth it down to where it's just like straight and you won't even feel any gaps or bumps. That's how I can describe that. So it did what it needed to do overall for a bonding treatment. Now on to the next product.